everybody, it's Tina, and I'm here with Oldies but Goodies, Gen X ATC cards. And this one is Thundercats. I think this was something probably boys watched, because I don't remember this one either. I tell ya, you could tell I wasn't the kid. Well, I was limited, very limited. When you live with an elderly grandfather, you're very limited of what you could watch and for cartoons. And you figure back in when I was a kid, it was only Saturday that you got to watch cartoons. I didn't have that fancy dish where you can watch. We didn't have Nickelodeon and none of that. So it probably, if Thundercats came on, I disappeared. You know? But this is what I came up with. I just found an image of Thundercats and did some bling. It was hard to find an image of Thundercats. So there we go. That's what I came up with. Oop, come on, there we go. Come on, camera. Wow. Yeah, I think my camera. I might need a new camera for Christmas, guys. There we go. So, thanks for watching, everybody. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.